Imagine earning over $700 in just 7 days with a simple, hands-free method. No complicated setups, no technical skills, just straightforward steps anyone can follow. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. This tried and tested strategy involves leveraging trending topics and AI tools to generate consistent income. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to add an extra income stream, this method is both accessible and effective. The best part? It requires minimal effort once everything is set up. Intrigued? Let's dive into the details so you can start your journey toward financial freedom today. What you'll need to get started. The tools required for this method are easily accessible and, best of all, free. You'll need Google Trends and Google News, two platforms that help you identify trending topics and relevant content. These tools are like gold mines for anyone looking to create compelling content or monetize links effectively. Google Trends allows you to see what the world is searching for in real time, while Google News aggregates the latest articles from reliable sources. Together, they form the backbone of this strategy. If you've never used these platforms before, don't worry, they're user-friendly, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Once you're familiar with them, you'll realize just how powerful they can be for online earning. Finding trending topics. The first step is to uncover what people are talking about right now. Start by visiting Google Trends, a treasure trove of current search data. You'll find categories like world, business, technology, and entertainment, each filled with potential topics. Let's say you choose entertainment. Click on Trending Now to discover what's hot. For example, a celebrity with over 1 million searches in a day could be making headlines. Once you find a topic that catches your eye, copy the keyword and take it to Google News. Paste the keyword into the search bar, and voila, you'll see a curated list of articles on that topic. This ensures you're not just creating content blindly, but tapping into topics with proven interest. Isn't that exciting? It's like being handed the keys to an online goldmine. Selecting an article. After identifying a trending topic, the next step is to find an article worth sharing. Choose reputable sources like CBS News, BBC, or other established outlets to ensure the information is credible. Take the time to read through the article. Is it engaging? Does it provide value? If yes, save the link in a Google document for easy access later. This small step keeps everything organized and prevents you from losing track of your progress. Trust me, staying organized is a game changer when implementing this method. With your article selected and saved, you're one step closer to monetizing it. Doesn't it feel great to see the pieces coming together? The magic of link shorteners. Now comes the part where the money-making magic happens. To monetize your selected article, you'll use link shortening platforms like Shrinkem, Linkvertise, or Xfactoio. These platforms convert your article link into a shorter version that earns you money every time someone clicks on it. Sounds simple. That's because it is. For instance, Linkvertise pays around $8.50 per 1,000 clicks, while ShrinkMe offers even higher rates for specific countries, up to $22 per 1,000 clicks in Greenland. Each platform has unique payout structures, so you can choose one that best suits your goals. By turning clicks into cash, you're essentially getting paid to share trending content. It's an ingenious way to monetize the internet's never-ending appetite for information. Creating a landing page. To maximize your reach and earnings, you'll need a landing page. Some platforms, like Linkvertise, require it to prevent direct advertising restrictions. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Use free tools like System.io to create a simple funnel. Start by setting a goal, such as build an audience. Next, insert your monetized link into the funnel's raw HTML section and save your changes. This landing page not only complies with platform requirements, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your content. Think of it as your digital storefront, guiding visitors to your monetized link. With just a few clicks, you've created a seamless path for viewers to engage with your content and for you to earn money. Pretty neat, right? Driving traffic to your link. Now that your link is ready, it's time to get people to click on it. This is where social media platforms like TikTok come into play. TikTok's algorithm is designed to promote engaging content, making it the perfect place to share videos about trending topics. Create short, attention-grabbing videos that highlight the essence of the article. Use tools like invideo.ai to craft these videos in minutes. Add a compelling call to action, such as click the link in the bio to read the full story, and watch the clicks roll in. The beauty of TikTok is its reach. You can connect with millions of users, many of whom are from high-paying countries like the USA and Australia. With the right approach, your content can go viral, driving significant traffic to your monetized links. Why TikTok works? TikTok's unique blend of creativity and virality makes it a game changer for this method. Unlike other platforms, TikTok favors authentic, engaging content over polished productions. This levels the playing field, allowing anyone to gain visibility. Another advantage is TikTok's user demographics. Since it's banned in some regions like India, most of your audience will come from high-paying countries. This aligns perfectly with platforms like Shrinkin, which offer higher payouts for clicks from the USA, UK, and Australia. Imagine creating a video about a trending topic and having thousands of people click on your link. The potential is enormous, and the effort required is minimal. It's a win-win situation that's hard to beat. Monetizing your traffic. Every click on your link equals revenue. And the best part is that viewers don't need to buy anything for you to earn. The monetization happens through ads served before they reach the article. This means your income is directly tied to the number of clicks you generate. The more engaging your content, the higher the click-through rate. It's a straightforward formula. Trending topics plus engaging content, clicks, and cash. By focusing on high-interest topics and creating compelling calls to action, you can maximize your earnings. It's a simple yet powerful way to turn internet traffic into a steady income stream. Advanced tips for boosting earnings. Want to take your earnings to the next level? Here are some pro tips. First, optimize your landing page to make it visually appealing and relevant to your audience. A well-designed page can significantly boost click-through rates. Second, don't limit yourself to TikTok. Share your content on Instagram, Twitter, and even Pinterest to reach a broader audience. Third, diversify your topics. Cover a range of niches to attract different demographics and keep your content fresh. Finally, analyze your performance. Use analytics tools to see what's working and refine your strategy accordingly. These small tweaks can make a big difference in your overall earnings. Automating the process. One of the most exciting aspects of this method is how easily it can be automated. Use AI tools for content creation, video editing, and even social media scheduling. Platforms like invideo.ai can generate scripts and videos in minutes, while tools like Hootsuite can automate your posting schedule. This allows you to focus on scaling your efforts instead of managing day-to-day tasks. Automation not only saves time, but also ensures consistency, which is key to building a successful online income stream. With the right tools, you can turn this side hustle into a fully automated business. The potential of e-commerce. While link monetization is an excellent way to start, it's just the tip of the iceberg. Another lucrative opportunity is e-commerce. Platforms like Lightfunnels use AI to optimize sales funnels, making it easier than ever to sell products online. With e-commerce projected to hit a $4.12 trillion market cap, the potential for growth is massive. By combining link monetization with e-commerce, you can create a diversified income portfolio that's both sustainable and scalable. Imagine earning from clicks and sales simultaneously. It's a recipe for long-term success. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more game-changing tips and tricks to make money online. We're all about helping you work smarter, not harder. So turn on those notifications to stay ahead of the curve. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next big break might just be one click away. See you in the next video.